job skill and life skill. We see in our life, job skill is more important than life skill. That is the natural phenomena that we will find in the country, in the world, and every person busy to improve the job skill. Let us start with a beautiful story of Sri Ramakrishna. One day, a bored man along with a Pandit crossing the river from one side to other side. In the boat, Pandit started reading Darshan, Shastras. Then suddenly asked the bored man, "Have you read the Darshan?" The bored man replied, "No." Then Pandit replied, "Everything gone, we have lost because you have not read the Darshan, Shastraj." After some time, clouds appear, rain started, there is a storm, boat is about to sink. Then boatman asked to the Pandit, "Have you know how to swim?" Well, no. Then how will save the life? So, think is that Pandit saved his life. Pandit could not save his life, whereas a bored man, a literate person, saved his life from that situation. So, how to manage the situation and save the life? Shastra has not helped him. The Pandit, this you can see in everywhere in the day-to-day life. You see, we all are highly educated. We have a name, fame, house, car, and officers, and everything we have. A comfortable life we are leading, but bungalow, BMW car, but you have no peace of the mind. In the Upanishad, they mention the Narad. He is the master of physics, chemistry, Jyotirvidya, Darshan, what not, but no peace of the mind. Take another example. A commander who can command 1,000 soldiers. Name, fame, bungalow, everything is there. He is so reputed and so famous. Everybody proud of him, that commander. But when commander reaches home, he cannot say a word with his wife or his daughter. Naturally, he is very unhappy, no peace. Mr. Basu, MBA, CEO of a reputed company. Company has given from car to house, park, everything. But in the office, sometimes he become inattentive. Why? Because in his mind appears his only son, Ranjan's face, who is drunkard. So he is no happy, no peace. So ultimately what we are finding with the job skill to comfort our life, to live in a heavenly joy, heavenly all these things are there, but no peace of the mind. One day, a lady became widow. Her husband was a big businessman. There are 5 bungalows, lot of property, house, car, everything is there. Very comfortable. So many servants are there, maid servants are there. And after becoming a widow, she became remorse, no peace of the mind. After 5-6 months, passed this way, totally upset the mind. You are so upset, and she became sick. She has to move to the nursing home. So naturally all his maid servants goes there and check the nursing home status and furnishing. Coming, they reported to the woman, the lady, that room is very tiny, not well furnished, and not arranged such a way. How could you stay there? So, lady, after the 4, 5, 6 months, he realized something. So she says, you see, what he says is a beautiful word. Because of the realization of the sorrows and miseries of the life, having everything, even he has not job skill, everything he has got. Job skill only brings our comfort, job skills. So what is she says? See, this God, I furnished, I arrange my mind. No arrangement is required for my stay and peaceful stay, because I have arranged my mind to stay there. So there is no arrangement from the outside is required. How beautiful this reply. That means world should not arrange our mind's peace. I should arrange my mind for the peace of the mind. How beautiful. I have arranged my mind so I can stay anywhere. They are not necessary for the arrangement of others' arrangement or God's arrangement of room, furnishing the room, etc. So this is, I got a realization, and this is called the life skill. Life skill means I arrange my mind, so there is no question of anything which give me pain. So peace of the mind comes when you are able to arrange your mind. So arrange your mind, the strength of the mind is required for the lifestyle. How to get the strength of the mind? That kind of setup. There are so many ways is there. As Swami Vivekananda used to say, Atmanam Ksartha Jagadhitaya Cha. For self-liberation, at the same time, for the good of the society, good of the others. It is a beautiful indication to become to learn, life skill. How? Yes, Atmanam Akshartha, self-realization, self-विकास. आपका आत्मा का विकास होना चाहिए, देश के साथ साथ विकास होना चाहिए, दोनों चाहिए. When you are very unhappy due to loss of your beloved son, if you have that thinking that this is the misery is not only for you, even the society will find. Even in the society will find this kind of miseries. So, by splitting, by thinking that society is there with me, society's misery is also there, other people's misery is there, so natural misery will less. So, if you think only selfish, misery will be more. If you think Jagat Hitaya Cha, for the good of the world, but this way, this is a thinking. How world is helping me, society is helping me. If I think of the society, this kind of problem society has also. So that reduce our burden of the mind. So this is one of the way to strengthen the mind, arrange your mind. But the arrangement of mind is require lot of strength, lot of power within, and that power come only when you are in the right track. That means if you try to follow the path of righteousness, stick to the truth, and live a moral life. Moral life, righteous path, and stick to the truth. These are the basic needs to strengthen the mind, and out of that you will get the life skill. That will help you to increase your forbearance. Pain is there, misery is there, problems will be there. That time needs the power of forbearance, सहन करना. If you समाज के साथ बांट दो, समाज के साथ देखो, then you can bear it. So this power will come that when you are in the right path, the life skill. So change your pattern of the life, and then you can have the life skill to have balance and have a peace of the mind. Most disciplined life, moral life, and righteous path is the basic needs to strengthen your mind, so that mind arrange, not world arrange your mind. Our mind should arrange the world. Then you'll be happy. No miseries. World is arranging our mind. That is the problem. So, this is the life skill, and I think everybody should cultivate the life skill to get what you want to get, the peace of the mind, ultimate goal of the human life.